Hey there, it's Tom Knotek with MarineMax Sail and Ski. Thank you so much for tuning in. As usual, today I'm extremely excited to show you this large deck boat by Sea Ray. It's a 2022 Sea Ray 290 SDX. This is a size that Sea Ray has become very, very good at, and this was a late 2022 arrival, so kind of surprised it's still available. But if you want to come along with me, I'm going to take you through my 5 favorite features on this beautiful boat.
My first favorite feature set comes from the back transom area, where you'll have this submersible swim step, which allows you to enjoy some of the water, some of the cool air, a little bit of everything. This back rest right here has a couple different positions where you can get your legs up. There's nothing like grabbing a drink from the cooler with a drain here on the starboard side as you enter the boat. And you're going to want to be able to select your tunes from the back of the boat as well. When it's time to clean up, you have a wash down hose, which is in the perfect spot in the back transom. And to keep everybody in line, you have this door to make sure everybody's inside the transom while underway, and a step to get off the boat when you get to your favorite restaurant.
It's the beat. I hear it in my sleep.
My next favorite feature set comes from this beautiful cockpit seating area, where you'll have plenty of features. But starting off here, I'm going to go through the port side passenger seat. Has 2 positions, so you can face forward or you can push it to be a more conversation style, and the same with the helm seat, as you can see right here. And notice the finish out on this boat. The style, the design, something Sea Ray is very well known for, and we all know that the sound sets the stage for the vibe, and this boat has 4 of the best JL audio speakers in the cockpit, along with this very luxurious courtesy night lighting, and you'll even have lights in the cup holder in this boat. My next favorite feature is the entertainment options on the boat. Some say a sandwich tastes better on a boat. I say, why not cook your friends and family dinner on a boat and keep all the condiments good in the fridge? Next favorite feature is an obvious one with this very spacious bow in this large deck boat. There's a windlass anchor to make this activity much more streamlined. It has retractable armrests, so you're in the ultimate comfort, and it has its own ski locker, storage locker up in the front, as well as one in the cockpit if you need more storage. My last favorite feature on this boat is the spacious head with a vacuum flush, which will make the women on board feel that much more comfortable, and anybody can come down to wash up in this sink so they're feeling fresh.
Thanks for tuning in to check out my 5 favorite features on this 2022 Sea Ray 290 SDX. Great boat for the family, getting more people out in the water, which is what it's all about. If you have any other questions about this specific piece of inventory, what we have coming in, all the different inventory we have here for selection season, please reach out to me at 512-774-0866 or my first name dot last name at marinemax.com. Till next time, I'm going to catch y'all either here at the boat dealership or maybe on the lake.